morning po sa lahat na nanonood natin live. Happy blessed Sunday to all of you guys. Isa namang kapanabadamit na laban ng ating masasaksihan between the rivalry di Ateneo at Manila University versus the De La Salle Zobel. Let the battle begin. Let's go. First ball. Gusto natin eh, oh. Stop and pump. Using the board and basket para kay jersey number 13. Castro. Oh, steal by Serafica. Steal. Good hustle. Manu. Or sorry, that's Gov. Panaligan and gets the foul. No good. Second shot for Carlos Panaligan. First basket para kay Panaligan. 2-1 favor of Ateneo. Oh, munti ka na maagawan at naagawan na nga. Wow, wala. Ayan, shoutout po kay Sir Montes and Sir Lavin Castro and to all the parents of De La Salle Zobel. Ayan, isang karangalan po na ma-cover up ang inyong laban. Display your rivalry. Offensive foul. Yep, 12-30. First and basket is good for our De La Salle. Another steal ba? Number 19. Pass to Tyler. Kick out number 13 for 3. No. Rebound. Oh boy. Steal. And that's the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 10. 4-3. Liam, pass to Manu, 4-3, no. Rebound by Serafica. Here comes the Ateneo. Nasa corner, 4-3. Oh! 3-point para sa Ateneo. 6-3. Number 51 and 1. Basket is good. Plus a foul for Liam Villaluz. Bonus shot for Liam Villaruz. For a bonus shot for a 3-point play. Basket para kay Liam. Tabla tayo sa 6. Oopsie, that's a trouble. Joaquim, pass to Melencio, to Manu, kick out to Liam. Liam, wala. Rebound by Serafica. To number 13. Pass to number 10. Tumira sa 3. No. Rebound. Number 10. Wala pa rin. Steal by Melencio. Ram will recover. Kaya na, tumatakbo si Ram. Side step. Oy, no good. Liam with a putback pero wala. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13. Oh, steal. Ayan na, Manu Montes and gets the foul. Nice foul. 2 shots para kay Manu Montes. Oh, good. And good morning po kay Ma'am Ivy ko is watching, and Sir Lavin Castro, and to all the parents of De La Salle Isabel. Oy! Steal by Joaquim. Castro to Ram. Melencio with the floater. Basket yan for Ram. Correct me if I'm wrong. Parang si ano ata yun. Si Zach. Cross-court pass. Number 30. No good. Bulacan. Steal. Serafica. Kick out to number 10. No. Rebound by Serafica. Tyler spin. Take a shot. And the first basket. Wala kay Tyler. Ayun na. Liam. Pass to Zach. Here comes Manu. No. Rebound by Manu. Manu with the shot. No good. Rebound by Serafica. Ayun na. Tumatakbo ang Ateneo. Number 3. Number 2. Pass to number 19. Jump shot is good. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Ayun na. Castro sidestep and gets the foul. On the free throw era, Joaquim Castro. First shot, no good. Second shot, 14. Basket is good. Babasa isang lamang ng Ateneo. Substitution. Zach. Oh, what a nice side step for Zach. Traveling violation. Good defense for number 14. Pull up Jay. Whoa. Rebound, Jaden. Kick out. Oh! Basket para kay Liam Villaruz. 15-10. Oh, travel. Oh, sorry, that's a foul. Number 14, pass to Jaden. To number 12. Pass number 14, jump shot, no. Rebound. Oh, another shot. Back-to-back basket para kay Liam Villaruz. Here comes Ateneo. Ball movement, kick out for 3. Oh! At nakasagot ang Ateneo. Melencio. Oh, sorry, that's Zach Tabu. Melencio for 3. No, rebound. Jaden Lee, fade away shot, using the glass and score. 19-13 in favor of De La Salle Isabel. Number 9. Oh, bad pass. Number 8. Oh! And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 17-13 in favor of... Uy, score. Hindi na nagdagan. 17-13 daw po. Ayan, review nyo na po sa ating live kung ano nangyari. Okay, back to the ball game. We will go into the second quarter. 17-13 pa rin daw ang ating score according sa ating official. Gab Ilano looking for his teammate. Pass to Jaden Lee. Pinasa sa corner. Catch and shoot. No good. Jaden, cross-court pass. Number 8, no. Rebound. Gab, no. Offensive rebound by jersey number 8. Ayan na ang Ateneo. Uy, nakalusot ba? No. There comes number 25. Uy, nabitawan. na, tumatakbo Ateneo. Oh! Kitang-kita. It's a lip-in violation. De La Salle Zobel basketball. Eugene. Pass to Gab. Pass to Jaden. Pass to number 8. Kick out. Fake. Running shot. No. Rebound. Makuha ng Ateneo. Outlet pass. Number 5. All the way. Ateneo basketball, kick out. Block by Jaden. Pass to Panaligan. Panaligan. Uy, block! Ayan na, tumatakbo ang Ateneo. Bounce pass, number 5. That's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 5. Time remaining 7 minutes and 22 seconds. No good. Rebound by Waden. Melencio 4-3. No. Rebound by number 4. Number 5. Pass number 8. Kick out. Number 11. Cross-court pass. 3 seconds. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Jaden. Lee. Pass to Zach. Panaligan. To Manu. Back to 4-3. Short. Rebound by number 8. Number 4. And gets the foul. Ay, sige po. Apo, pwede lang po.
Ito na lang.
Alonso Ami coming in na rin para sa ating De La Salle Zobel. Uy. Babasa isang lamang ng ating La Salle Zobel. Ami 4-3. No. Rebound by number 8. Steal. Zach 4-3. Wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 5. Oh, munti ka na magawan. Pinasa loob. Number 8. Tinutok na lang. Change favor. Lamang na ang Ateneo. Alonso 4-3. Yes! Para sa 3. For Alonso Ami. Yan, shoutout po sa family Ami. Special lang, alamang dimple. Oy! That's a travel. Substitution. Joaquim Castro coming in. De La Salzabel basketball. Alonzo. Pass to Zach. Zach. Pass to Alonzo. Alonzo. To Villaruz and gets a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 51, Villaruz. Basket. Ako ba? Manu, basket. For Manu Montes. Another steal for Manu. Oy! Wala. Correction, that is Zach. Sayang. - 23-18. Defense still. Alonzo. Pass to Castro. Joaquim to Alonzo. Alonzo. No good. Rebound. Liam. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 18. Ayan na ang defense ng Lasal. Oy. Time remaining 3 minutes and 1 seconds. Bola rito na ang ating Zobel. Panaligan. Oh, sorry, that's Liam. Handoff. Melencio. Uy, nice fake. Jump shot. Choosing the board. And score. 25-18. Number 18, pass to number 2, backer pass, steal by Melencio. Melencio, pass to Castro. Back to Ramos, that's Zach. Zach to Liam. Liam, nabitawan at nag-aagawan. And that's a jump ball. Hindi ko masabayan yung oras, sorry. Timeout. Official score is 25-18 in favor of De La Salzabel. And shoutout po kay Sir Yuri Yu and Tyron Berganio is watching. Back to the ball game. Number 13, no good. And 1. Down by 5. Zach to Castro. Fake. Melencio, catch and shoot. No. Rebound. Hindi ang Ateneo. Sidestep, wala. Jump shot, no. Oh, steal by Ram. Melencio with the cover, pass to Jaden. Lee, spin, nagawan. Ay na ang Ateneo at nakalso doon. Jaden. Uy, nabitawan. Munti ka na. Paso Liam. Catch and shoot. Too strong. Oh, last touch. Same ball. White ball. Jaden. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Liam, kick out, Melencio, wala. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score 25-22. Babalik tayo for the second half. Maraming pong salamat. At magkakapuman tayo for the meantime. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. At kung gusto niyo po mapanood ang replay, ayan, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Paki-subscribe na naman po. Maraming pong salamat.